The federal government is encouraging local manufacturers of pharmaceutical to take advantage of support funding it is willing to make available to them in order to improve their efforts in ensuring quality care in the health sector. The government made this invitation at the 10th anniversary of the Healthcare Federation of Nigeria in Lagos. Senior correspondent Jacqueline Ogo has details.
The 10th anniversary of the Healthcare Federation of Nigeria, which coincides with its third annual conference, drew health practitioners from within and outside Africa, with a focus on providing quality healthcare within Nigeria and the continent. The outgoing president of the Healthcare Federation, Dr. Pamela Ajayi, says Nigerians will have to deliberately start patronizing local manufacturers of pharmaceutical products.
It is very, very important that as Nigerians, we don't say we go to a shop and say, oh, we want foreign medication, when our own Nigerian companies are producing excellent quality medication.
We've lost a lot of health professionals, and this is the time to how do we build up and grow the remaining base that we have so that they're better able to serve us.
A notable Kenyan professor who has delivered more than 800 papers on the African health sector decried the brain drain syndrome. He says it will not continually look interesting for a Nigerian to travel all the way to America to be treated by a Nigerian. The professor also chronicled other challenges that must be addressed in the nation's health sector, to include poor governance, improper funding, the lack of adequate human resources, archaic data compilation, and more.
Go around Africa and you'll be surprised about the number of hospitals and clinics and so on that have been built, were never finished and they've never worked. That's money down the drain.
The federal government says it is taking deliberate steps to ensure the drug and pharmaceuticals manufacturing sector is adequately funded.
We are talking to many of the big banks and financial institutions who have mobilized billions of US dollars from Afrexim Bank, $1 billion, from European Investment Bank, about €1 billion, and many other pots of money like that, so that when you are ready, you have a good business, you'll be able to attract those funding.
For Nigeria to become a center of medical excellence in Africa, observers say issues deliberated upon here today and pledges made should not be swept under the carpet. Jacqueline Ogo, TVC News, Lagos.